After you've added some lessons to your library, click a lesson to start delivering it. Use the arrows to turn the pages. As you present the lesson, you can interact with the page. Use the cursor to move and manipulate objects. Use the pen tool to write or draw. And use the eraser to erase your ink. We've also added a couple of tools just for online delivery. You can add a blank page while you're delivering a lesson. This is useful if you want to write down an idea or you need some blank space to illustrate a concept. You could use this blank page to show a snowflake six-sided structure. If you want to start a class discussion or gather ideas, you can launch a brainstorming session on the spot. You might ask students to guess which factors can influence the way snowflakes form. After students have signed in through the class lobby, they can add to the brainstorming page by submitting responses from their devices.